Hey guys, I wanted to teach y'all how to open a new Google site and how to get started on it. So first of all, this is my Humble um, apps. Now this is from a teacher perspective, so you don't have all of these apps, but you do have G Suite, which looks like this, and they're all in alphabetical order in case you didn't know. But G Suite is here, and you can start a new Google site by going to your G Suite. So these are all of your Google apps that are you're able to access through the school district. And one of them is your Google Sites page. So if you click on that, it will take you to your Google Sites. Another thing that you can do is also type in sites.google.com and it will take you to Google Sites as well. The only problem is if you do this, you might end up being under a personal account if you also have a personal account. So just make sure that your icon is your Humble ISD icon, or make sure that the Humble ISD logo is up here. Same thing with, if you do it through My Humble, it'll happen automatically. But if you just type in sites.google.com, it might take you to your personal site. And so just make sure that that Humble ISD logo is there. All right, so this is kind of the old version of Google Sites, and to me personally, I don't think it's as user friendly. So if you go to new Google Sites right here, it'll take you to the way the new one looks, and it looks like this. Now I have a ton of different websites that I've made for my classrooms or just dummy sites that I've used to make various videos. So down here will be any Google site you have previously made under that account. You can choose to open up a new site. You can create a class site, a club site, your own portfolio site, a professional portfolio site, a restaurant site, and there's also lots of other templates in this gallery. So these are just templates that you could use. Typically, we start with a brand new blank site. So this is our bare bones website, and this is the default that'll happen. You can change anything on here to look all sorts of different ways. This right here will be the title of your page. So think of whenever you go to a website, there are multiple pages on that website. Just like when you go to the Humble ISD web page, there's a spot for parents, a spot for students, and then within those, they have even additional pages. So this is the title of your page, not the title of your website. Over here is where you would put the title of your website, and you could add a logo if you want to. So again, using the Humble ISD website, this would be, Humble ISD would be the name of that website, and then they would add the Humble ISD logo if we were making an Humble ISD website. And I'm just using that as an example because we've all seen that no matter what school you go to. Sorry. So it's gonna be the example that I go back to just because it's the one that everybody has seen, and I'm sure you've gone to your own school's website as well. But anyway, this is where you would put your site name or your logo. This is just the title of that page. Usually it's a welcome page or your home page. And so sometimes on your home page you would type the name of your website, but then you can add additional pages. You can also change the background. So this background back here, you can change that background using this. And you could change how this header looks here. There are multiple different ways that you can have the header. So if you just wanted a cover page, you could put that there as well. And of course, your images in the background, you can upload your own or you could select some. I'm just simply showing you how to open a new one, not how to do each individual thing. And then down here is where you would build the content for that website. So I'm going to end this video there. If you want to know more about sites, you can check out the how to build your own website or how to create your own website.